Okay, it's a beautiful morning here in Big Mama's garden. I'm gonna harvest some more of my collard greens and mustard greens. They looking so big and beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Let me harvest some more of my greens this morning. Look over here, I have some more mustard greens growing. Yes, keep growing, keep growing. Looking beautiful. Let me get started harvesting these collard greens and mustard greens over here. Okay, I got a nice harvest of my collard greens and my mustard greens today, and still have some more that's gonna grow. I may have another harvest before Thanksgiving. Keep growing, keep growing.